What's up? Welcome back. How you guys doing? How are you? How's everybody? Hopefully y'all can hear me. Sound check. What's up, guys? Alright, so we just want to make a quick video right now. So as you guys know, I have a 1989 Toyota Supra. Sorry about the mess, but as a 2JZ GTE. Anyways, so I've developed a new product for this car for all my new subscribers and all my people who are Mk3 owners. This product is perfect for you. So as you guys can see already in the corner and by the title, I have developed stainless steel brake lines for this car. One of the best literally on the market. From my research, everything I found online wasn't really too nice, but luckily I can make these in-house, so let's get to it. All right, so as we get right into it, so we got our old lines, guys, right here. If you haven't watched the video, there's gonna be a video I'll link in the description. I'll try to remember to put the little tab, but you guys can watch me install the brake line when I did it myself on this car, and how I do the rotors, pretty much redo the whole rear end suspension and all that stuff. But this is a short video, so if you're looking to buy these lines, you can see how it is. But pretty much what we have here are our stock lines. So the Supra in the front comes with this line that goes from the hard line from the car to this female end, and then it goes down to here where it clips onto the chassis. I went ahead and cut this line because I don't want to unbolt that. But then the line continues on and it goes to here where this bolts up to your knuckle. And then from here we have our little banjo bolt that uses this M10, and it bolts to the caliper. And same style for the rear. The rear is hard line male to a female end, and then male end going to the female side of a caliper. And then these are the old brackets. You guys can see if you own a car this old, it's crusty, guys. This stuff is nasty. So now this is all the old stuff. You can see why I don't want to run this. I saw some kits online. If you want to go the cheap route, you can. I don't recommend it. Anyways, at TriggaSpec, we go ahead and use crimped collar hose. And shout out to Brake Quip. We use their materials and all their fittings and their pressure system, and everything gets tested. All these lines have warranty too, guys. So yeah, this is the kit that I have developed for this car. So let's get right to it. So we have two hoses for the front. These go to the front caliper. As you guys can see, it comes with a stainless steel end like that, female side. New clip. Also comes with this collar attachment, and this is what attaches to your knuckle, which I'll show you guys. And then on the other end, we have this brand new, nice, come on camera, nice banjo right here with the collar pin that goes into the caliper. So very OE spec. And the hoses are not exposed, guys. These have the rubber covering on it. Very important. Rear, same thing. The female end going to the male hardline. Come on camera. And then we have the same thing, male other end. Very beautiful. You also will get, I'm short a washer, but you also get new washers and a new banjo bolt, and you will receive 4 new pins too. This whole kit, guys, is going to be $175 shipped. Can't find anything like this. When you buy lines, look at it and see if it's collar crimped like this. Bet you it's not. Literally, this is the best of the best. Don't sleep. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and continue our video for the installation, so go ahead and check that video out. But yeah, when it's installed, I'll show you guys the final process so you guys see how it looks. But yeah, if you're interested, please reach out. I'll link both the Instagrams, my main account and also my company account, TriggaSpec. Reach out to me, guys. Hit me up. Everything is made to order, and you place all your orders through that company page or through my Instagram, preferably company page. So just message me through there, and yeah, let's do it. Let me know. I have a lot of other stuff too. All my VQ guys, I have a lot of VQ parts. We have VR parts coming 2022. We have so many stuff coming, guys. It's gonna be insane. And thank you again for always supporting me. Literally, like, I do everything myself. It's a one-man show, but thank you so much, everybody. Really means a lot. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video.